In class 90. Couldn't get the front very well. Yeah guys, I'll tell you when the next stream comes. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. Guys, in the Bakerloo line 1972 stock. By the way, this train's at Sainsbury / Clinton. I'll tell you when the next stream comes. 77269. Guys, class 90 was an orange straight line and I forgot what was the other one. Yeah guys, not so when that sheet comes. Guys, I'm train approaching London North Western Railways class 350. 35266 ending with it. Guys, I'm gonna stop filming Bakerloo line. I'm gonna stop speaking. Guys, 77376. 377. Three 5139. 35139.